This is actually not my shade. Sephora. This is really nice. Cute little blush. Ooh, it's so nice, bro. Born This Way concealer. Everybody has been talking about it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be here today. Like, today's my favorite unboxing. Okay, as you can see from the title, I have a package that I ordered. So basically, when I was little, when I was like young, I used to wear makeup. I used to like love, I gotta put this. So when I was young, I used to like love wearing makeup. I'm talking about 15 years, 14 years, that my grandma will literally go to the market, like in Africa. That's Nigeria. If you guys know, I'm Nigerian. Okay, thank you. So I mean, my grandma, she will literally go to the market, and when she comes back, she's gonna buy me like this little just those little white powder, tiniest white powder, just to put it on my face, rub it on my neck. And I saw like my little baby picture. I still had like my eyeliner on my eyes when I was like 3 months. I used to like use my auntie's lipsticks on my mouth, the red color one. So I literally grew up using makeup. The same thing, my mom, like, she knows that I love makeup, so I go to use her lipstick. So sometimes she kind of keep our old makeup in my room, or our room, my little sister, just for us to use it. And we like jewelry. So basically I grew up liking makeup so much. Like, yeah, let's not talk too much. I'm gonna show you guys what I bought. I'm so excited. I really didn't open the box though. I got this box like, I mean, yesterday or 2 days ago. I really didn't open it. I was so excited to see it though, but I was like, I'm just gonna keep it. So yeah. What? This is how the box came in. Am I supposed to take a picture for my? Yeah, I will, guys. So wait, this is supposed to be a gift. I think inside it's supposed to have a makeup. It's supposed to have like samples in there, I guess. Skin tints. I was trying to check them out because I really like skin tints, and the case that you don't have to wear makeup like foundation, you can just add it up and go your day. Yeah, so these are samples too. It's a HD skin concealer, and they're like this. Guys, I'm very terrible with unboxing because I picked it out the box. I got no time. And we got this, and we have this, and here we have a Da Vinci, this tiny little gift too. So it says 4-color loose powder. This is so tiny, like yes. These are all samples. I'm gonna just finish them once, but I like those colors. This is cute. Of course, this is gonna be in my collection. I don't know if you guys can see. Of course, it's gonna be in my collection. So let's go to the exciting part. Are you guys excited? So I found this set of toothbrush. Very pretty, very cute, very demure. The back is like pretty soft. I kind of have a problem with the color because I might end up staining it. So this is supposed to be set of makeup brush that I need. Soft and nice. But I always want a good set of brush. I have like a bunch of set of brush, obviously, but I kind of like a good set of brush that will last me a bit longer than I know I'm gonna use. So these are like mini set of brushes, and yeah, this is supposed to be for blushes, I guess. Is it soft? I think it's soft enough. And this is for foundation, and this for the eyebrows. Very important. For the prices, I think it's okay, not too bad for the prices. So we have this. Honestly, I don't know if I like to buy stuff online. They came really small for the prices. Why am I spending $20-something for this? I'm expecting it to be like really big, but you know, I was like, for the price that I bought this, I was like, I think it's okay, because if I really go to the store, I'm probably gonna spend like $500 there. But online is cute, but what comes online is like really small, but it's okay. For now, I can just manage this, okay? And I'll go buy myself the bigger ones when these are done. But this is like bronzer. This is the most cutest bronzer I've ever seen. Sephora, like, please. It's like cute. The glasses is all well compact. I really love this. I don't know if the camera is really doing justice to the beauty of this container. The packaging is really nice, and I like the color. I think it's gonna be really nice on me. I got Sephora eyeliner. This is the eyeliner. It's really nice. Demure. It's really dark. I've not been using eyeliner for like years now. I'm gonna just as well try it on and I'll come back. Did you guys notice any difference on my eyeliners? Hey. So I've not like used eyeliners for like years. Like, I'm talking about 2 years. I just decided to stop using it one time because I knew it was so hard for me to take out when I'm doing my makeup. When it comes to showering, it's so hard for me to take it off. Then it makes my face like under eyes more darker. So I just stopped using it. But I'm like that. When I stop doing something, I just stop it. So I stopped using it for like years. But now I'm glad to like buy, because it really suits my eyes, because you know I have tiny eyes, so anything for the eyes will be cute. And I got bake setting and mattifying powder from Sephora. This is really nice. The ones I have is actually finished. It's like I'm using the one from the Nice, and I really liked it. It really served its purpose. I like buying stuff that are like 24 hours, 48 hours, those things, but this is 12 hours, so I'm like, okay, I can just go to 9 to 5 with it, period, and come back and still be there. That's fine. This is it. And this is it. Let's do this. And I got this. These are like blushes. I have blush that I've been using, of course, but it's finished. So I went for this cute little blush. And let's see, something like this. You just tap in your hands. Can you guys see? Oof, can you guys see the beauty of this blush? Ooh, it's so nice, bro. I got something to use for Christmas. I think it's like a little pink. It was supposed to give me red vibe anyways, but it's giving me like pink reddish. Guys, we're actually almost done. These are the big deal. My concealer. This is Born This Way concealer. Everybody has been talking about it. Honestly, this is my first time buying this Born This Way. I bought it online. I just did guess if, like, I guessed that to see if this is not good, I have to return it back. So I just went online to do some research about the concealer to see which color would go for me. I think I did well. I think I did a good job. It's okay. That's the perfect concealer. I didn't want something too bright because I think I use concealer a lot. If I'm not like going anywhere too serious, I rather use concealer on my face, like full beat, than to use foundation. But this concealer, look at how it is. Nice. I like the color. I'm so proud that I had to do this online by myself. Then I have some bright concealer that I can just dab to give me a bright color. This is how it looks. Pretty cute. Cute. Okay guys, this is the mother of them. I've obviously have like Fenty before, a lot. I still have some, but the ones I have, I just don't like them. But I finally decided to buy myself a pretty foundation from Fenty. Dude, but I'm scared. I feel like this is a bit bright. I might have to return this girl back. I'm sorry, you guys. Yo. Oh, she's bright, bro. No, she's a lot much brighter on my skin. I think I'll have to return her. I'm so sad. Oof. Ooh, Fenty. Ooh. Yeah, guys. I thought I picked something like the yellow, whatever. But I guess I'm wrong. This is actually not my shade. So this is not my shade. I choose the wrong shade ever. I'll have to return this. How am I gonna do it? Yeah, I might have to return this, or I'm just thinking if I should keep it and just kind of mix them with some foundation. Maybe if I need some mixture. But I have to. This is not for me. I'm so sad. I'll think about this. Let me see. I got nothing again. Ah! Well, I'm so happy with our got so far. This is beautiful, but my foundation, as you can see, it didn't go well with me. So I have to go get a new foundation again. I hate returning product. I just don't know why putting bad stuff in the package and returning back. Okay, printing and all these things. See, I didn't sign for like suffering life. I want a soft life. You feel me? So me trying to like return this package is so hard. Either I return it or we buy another one. Help me, guys. Yeah, that's it to the end of this video. I'm so glad that you came or watched this video. Tell me if you like my video. Comment on the comment section below. Yeah, tell me your opinion, like what to do next, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like my video and share. You guys are watching without subscribing. You guys should subscribe to follow and see more beautiful content like this, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Listen close. I got a story to tell about the queen inside you. You know her well, she's fierce and she's bold, with a heart of gold. In her veins she carries stories untold. Every step she takes, she owns the ground in her eyes. You see the fire when she talks. She's the essence of strength and grace. In her soul, she finds her rightful place. Be an Afro queen, let your spirit shine. In your rhythm, let the world define. With every move you recline. thoughts awaken. Her beauty lies in power and truth.